Introducing the Surebonder Cordless 60-watt glue gun. Surebonder specializes in creating the safest glue guns in the world and is committed to providing their customers with the best possible experience. The Surebonder Cordless comes with a heating dock, allowing the glue gun to heat up without being attached to a cumbersome cord. There's no battery to worry about either. Finally, have the freedom of leaving the crafting bench without the hassle of expensive batteries or extension cables. Simply place the Surebonder Cordless on its heating dock and it'll do the rest. Once it's hot, you can take it with you anywhere you need it. When it needs to be reheated, simply place it back on the dock. Even without the cord, the Surebonder Cordless glue gun boasting 1.5 times the power of other standard full-size glue guns. More power means more glue before you have to slow down your project, allowing you to go and go and go. This high-temperature glue gun is perfect for working with wood, plastic, and metal. The Surebonder Cordless has an on-off switch, so you can leave it plugged in with peace of mind and don't have to unplug or move the dock. And you can always check the red indicator light on the rear of the glue gun to see whether the gun is on or off. The Surebonder Cordless heating dock also has a Surebonder nonstick silicone glue pad located under the nozzle to help keep your work area clean and tidy. The Surebonder Cordless is designed with a set of side fins that keeps glue in the heating chamber and away from the Teflon protected inlet tube to prevent backflow for added peace of mind. The chamber itself has full pull technology designed to grip each glue stick and prevent slipping when you pull the trigger. Surebonder pioneered building a safety fuse into the gun, ensuring added protection other glue guns don't offer. Bring the glue gun to your project, not the other way around, with the Surebonder Cordless 60-watt glue gun. Surebonder, stick with the best.